psychotherapy note writing software for mental health professionals. In this short video, we're going to show you how to start using Note Designer immediately to get your notes done. We will cover the most basic features here and leave the more advanced options and features to our other tutorial videos. First off, I'll mention that you could also select the Take a Tour note, which will lead you through all the basic features. But instead for now, let's start by choosing the SOAP Plus Progress Note from the note type list. We have many note types available, but this is certainly one widely used in mental health. Here you'll see a screen with tabs across the top, identifying the different sections of a SOAP Progress Note. You'll see it opens to the first tab, the Headings tab. It's here where you enter the demographic and client information you want to include in your note. So client name, date of the session, CPT code, whatever information you want to display at the top of your note. Keep in mind you don't have to use all of the categories listed, just what you need. Next, we go to the Subjective tab. You'll see a list of subtabs with different types of content listed on the left. In Subjective, this includes reported affective state and themes discussed. You simply click the content that applies to the session. You'll see that all of your entries and selections on the left-hand screen end up in your note on the right-hand screen. This is how it works throughout the template. Though there is a lot of content to choose from, after a short time using the program, you'll become faster at finding what you need. And if there is particular content that you tend to use a lot, you can like those statements using the heart icon to make it even easier to find your go-to content. In addition, if there is some content that you know you're unlikely to use, you can also hide those items. In this way, you can make the program what you need it to be. At the end of each section of statements, you'll see that you can also enter your own statements. You can do this temporarily for the particular note you are building, or you can add a permanent statement that will be there for all of your future notes. For example, if a particular theme often comes up but it's not adequately addressed in the statements we provide. Once you've selected your subjective content, you move along through the tabs and subtabs, selecting and clicking the content that describes the session. Last, you can upload your digital signature and sign your note at the bottom with an optional timestamp. When it's all done, you can press Export to export your note as a PDF, or press Copy so that you can paste it into your electronic file on your computer or to your EHR. Importantly, Note Designer does not store your notes like an EHR system does. When you export or copy-paste your note out, you can then store it however or wherever you like. And that's pretty much it. I'll now point out a few of the other basic features that you might find helpful. You'll notice a button called Final Edit. You can press this button if you want to more fully go into the note content on the right to edit things before you export it. As well, for those note types that offer AI Rewrite, once you've selected the note content, you click the AI Rewrite button to send the phrases to our AI system for rewriting. Importantly, we do not send any of your ePHI that you entered in the Headings tab to the AI system, and we ask that you also make sure not to enter any identifying health information anywhere else in the note. It's important we mention the Preferences menu at the top right of your screen. Here is where you can tailor various settings in your note, such as your preferred terminology, whether you want to show headings, font style, paragraph breaks, and the like. When you set your preferences here, they will apply to all your note types. You should be ready now to start using Note Designer to get your notes done. Truly, this is all you really need to know to start using the program. Then later, If you want to start using our advanced features that allow you to fully customize and build your own note templates, we recommend watching one of our more advanced tutorial videos available through our support menu. If you have any questions or need further assistance, you can ask Sophie, the helpful chatbot, by clicking the orange question mark at the bottom right of your screen. Or contact us anytime at info@notedesigner.com. This has been Patricia for Note Designer, leaders in psychotherapy note writing software for over 10 years.